This film is an attempt to highlight the fine balance between climate and culture and the importance of maintaining it for future. The city of Udaipur, situated at the southern end of the semi-arid state of Rajasthan in India, is known as the land of hills, lakes and lush vegetation. The region's geographical and environmental setting proved to be beneficial, and the city was established as the seat of the erstwhile princely state of Mewar. The city palace complex was strategically built on a hilltop at the banks of Lake Pichola, surrounded by the Aravalli ranges. This iconic 450-year-old structure, which houses the City Palace Museum, has been built over the years by different Maharanas, adding their distinct style and architectural features. The macro setting of the palace, along with the micro elements in its architecture, such as windows with lattice work or jalis in the rooms, balconies or jharokas with openings on three sides, lime plastered thick walls, some measuring up to 6 feet in thickness, high ceilings, and open courtyard spaces ensure good air circulation, proper ventilation, and naturally cooler interiors. This harmony between the cultural heritage and the climate has helped in maintaining ambient conditions within the complex and preserving the museum collection. However, it has been observed in recent years that there has been a shift in Udaipur's precipitation pattern, and climate change could be one of the causes for the same. For example, in 2019, the city experienced a dry spell, while in 2021 it was hit by a cyclonic storm. The rainfall distribution within a year has also extended beyond the months of monsoon. This is adversely affecting the lime plastered heritage structure and a major part of the museum collection. Water seepage from both ground and ceiling is a common problem in the entire complex due to high water absorption in lime. This has led to cracks and bulging of wall plaster, staining in marble columns, and biodeterioration in both interior and exterior structure. Lately, there have been a few instances of water seepage directly affecting paintings displayed on walls, while high humidity causes difficulty in maintaining ambient conditions for the museum collection.
In order to tackle these problems and restore the fine balance, the museum has readopted its traditional resources and practices while adapting them in modern solutions. Recent creation of new storage spaces for paintings and photographs collection in the museum required maintenance of constant ambient conditions. The data logger readings revealed that the thick palace walls provide insulation and help in maintaining constant temperature levels, but the humidity levels show massive fluctuations over the year. A possible solution to the problem could be air conditioning, but the recurring financial and environmental costs far outweigh the benefits. The new ventilation system is innovative and cost efficient and suitable for the long-term preservation of artworks. There are two parts to it. The first is the industrial ventilators, which are operated in the high humidity months such as monsoon and helps in lowering humidity levels by drawing in fresh air from outside. And the second is the ultrasonic humidifiers, which are operated during the low humidity months like summer and helps in increasing humidity levels by introducing moisture in the form of a fine mist. This system is being monitored and fine-tuned for optimum results. The upcoming gallery spaces are also being equipped with the same system. Window openings of the gallery have been covered with louvers and fitted with centrifugal fans. This system proved to be efficient as the windows face an open courtyard. Araish is a traditional lime plastering technique practiced in this region. This technique has been used on both interior and exterior walls of the complex. It helps in maintaining a constant temperature and acts as a protective layer for the structure. Lime terracing has recently been used for waterproofing the terraces of the complex after the failure of other techniques due to frequent and heavy rain spells. It is an expensive and labor-intensive process, but has higher durability than others. However, with worsening climatic conditions, this method may also meet the same fate. Climate change is not only adversely affecting the cultural heritage, but also the livelihoods. A number of local communities are directly or indirectly associated with the palace for economic and social sustenance. Any damage to cultural heritage would have a direct impact on them. Therefore, the balance between climate and culture needs to be deeply understood, and global efforts are needed to nurture it, so as to prevent these problems from aggravating and ultimately reaching a point of breakdown.